हेलो बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Yellow color. The heart is of yellow color. Blue color. The triangle is of blue color. A triangle has 3 sides. Pink color. The square is of pink color. Such a pretty pink color. A square has 4 equal sides. Orange color. The circle is orange in color. Circle has no sides. Red color. The star is red in color. The star shines bright up in the sky. The star comes only in the night. And green color. The hexagon is green in color. The hexagon has 6 sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, yellow color. Triangle, blue color. Square, pink color. Circle, orange color. Star, red color. And hexagon, green color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.